Make creamy, delicious mashed potatoes, perfect purees, homemade baby food, brownie, and cake batter all in minutes with the new Dash Masha 2X. With 160 watts of power and the specialized masher and batter cone, the Dash Masha 2X delivers double the power and versatility. With the simple touch of a button, the rotating cone pushes the potatoes out through the cone housing, giving you the perfect mash. What's more, the Masha 2X is specially designed to give you creamy, fluffy mashed potatoes without overprocessing. And when you're done, the Masha 2X easily rinses clean and is dishwasher safe. Mashing and mixing has never been so easy with the Dash Masha 2X.
Chefin has created the perfect popcorn popper, the Pop Top. This great little gadget makes homemade popcorn fast and movie night fun for the whole family. Let me show you how it works. Measuring the right amount of kernels is easy with the Pop Top. To make a full 10 cups of popcorn, fill the basin on the bottom right to the edge. Now add the good stuff. The Pop Top works great with cooking oil or even better, butter. To close the Pop Top, fold in the triangles one by one like this. Then place in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Use the tabs on either side of the popper to remove it safely from the microwave. Then add salt and enjoy.
Introducing the Beam Butter Sprayer, the first and only sprayer that uses real butter and goes from butter stick to butter spray in just a few seconds. You can beam corn on the cob or perfectly covered popcorn. You can beam pans for a healthier, tastier non-stick cooking spray. Beam toast and rolls without a knife. Anything you can butter better and easier with Beam. The Beam Butter Sprayer, it's your butter sprayed.
Everyone knows that cleaning a whisk is a pain. Whisk Wiper makes whisking easy. Insert the whisk into Whisk Wiper, taking a moment to line up the loops. Then whisk away. It keeps the loops up off the counter, and it even catches drips. You can rest the whisk on the edge of the bowl or on the edge of the sink. But when you're done, instead of washing all of that food and water down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return 95% of the food to the bowl. But that's not all. Save every last bit using Whisk Wiper to wipe out the bowl. It even gets square corners. Whisk Wiper is a real time saver, more hygienic, and makes whisking easy.
The Bellini Kitchen Master is an 8-in-1 appliance that can do everything a high-powered blender can do and so much more. You can chop, mix, mince, whip, and blend. What makes the Bellini Kitchen Master groundbreaking is that you can also cook, sauté, and steam with it, allowing you to cook entire meals with just one machine. With the new Bellini Kitchen Master, the machine does all the work for you. You just add your favorite ingredients, adjust the settings, and walk away. The Bellini comes with everything you need to transform your kitchen into the ultimate hands-free cooking experience. You get your own state-of-the-art digital portion kitchen scale, a 2-liter stainless steel bowl, 2 heat-resistant steaming trays, a mixing tool, 1 spatula, 1 cooking basket, a built-in measuring cup, and stainless steel chopping and mixing blades. The Bellini's 800-watt motor makes quick work of even the hardest root vegetables and easily crushes ice for perfect smoothies in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master has a 1,000-watt heating element with 8 precise temperature settings. Whether you're creating a perfect hollandaise sauce or cooking with vegetables while simultaneously steaming your fish, the Bellini Kitchen Master does it all. Changing or removing the blades is so simple and gives you the ability to chop and blend in seconds. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to plug in the time, adjust your speed setting, set any temperature you desire, hit start, and you're ready to go. You can also use the pulse function for quickly crushing ice or shredding hard cheeses. The digital portion kitchen scale is the perfect partner for any kitchen and gives you the control to switch effortlessly between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. What sets the Bellini Kitchen Master apart from lesser food processors is the precision heating component and the fact that it conducts 8 functions all in one machine. It truly gives you the freedom to do something else while the Bellini does all the cooking and stirring for you. Best of all, there is zero cleanup. Just add water and dish soap. Set your Bellini to 100 Celsius and voila! Spotless in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master gives you the control to have a real confidence in your cooking and your kitchen. With over 70 recipes included, all with easy-to-follow instructions, you can attempt those silky soups, velvety custards, and complex sauces with restaurant-quality results every single time. There's never been a better time to experience the world of the Bellini Kitchen Master.
Keeping your produce as fresh as the day you purchased it can be a challenge. In fact, Americans waste $24 billion in produce each year. Original store packaging doesn't allow proper airflow and leads to faster spoiling over time. With the new Freshworks container, your produce stays fresh up to 80% longer. Its patented Fresh Vent technology naturally regulates the flow of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the container, creating the optimal environment to keep your produce fresh. The Fresh Vent technology lasts for the lifetime of the container and never needs to be replaced. The Freshworks Produce Saver is also BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and available in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Fresher produce, fresher longer. The new Freshworks Produce Saver from Rubbermaid.
After extensive research, Zylis has designed a range of knives to meet all the needs of the everyday consumer. Our research identifies 3 consumer priorities when preparing food at home: comfort, control, and cleanliness. Introducing Zylis Control, a revolutionary new range of kitchen knives designed to fit you. The ergonomically designed handles feel comfortable and safe for all hand sizes and feature non-slip grip points on the underside to aid control. These knives suit all chopping and slicing styles. Grip, rock, or pinch, whatever your style, the knife will work with you. The knives feature unique touch points on the handle top and along the top of the blade, giving the greatest possible control, whatever the ingredients. Perfect control whilst chopping, dicing, and slicing every time. Zylis Control knives are totally dishwasher safe. The handles feature a natural antibacterial agent which kills 99.9% of all germs. Make concerns about knife block hygiene a thing of the past. All Zylis Control blocks feature revolutionary removable antibacterial knife sheaths. Also 99.9% germ-free and dishwasher safe. Zylis Control knives are manufactured with high-grade German stainless steel, offering the perfect balance of durability and edge retention, delivering first-class cutting results time after time. Built to last, Zylis Control knives have a 25-year guarantee. Zylis Control knives, knives designed to fit you.